Okay, well, welcome back, and now we're going to do our second segment of looking at the human body, selected body systems. We did cardiovascular, and then at the end of it, I forgot to bring this to your attention. It was a model of a heart that we use, okay, in the lab, sheep heart, and we have some cow hearts, okay, and we have different kinds of hearts that we let students put their hands on. And you saw the piggy that we had, and we let them cut out the pig heart and do it. So I'm going to just move this right now, okay? Since we're not doing it. Okay, the one we're going to talk about now is a respiratory system, which is quite amazing when you look at it, because what you do is you do real weird things. I do too. There are gases in the air around us, and we can breathe in and extract a certain molecule that's in it, oxygen, and give off carbon dioxide. And it's really, really simplistic, but it's essential because it'll kill you, okay, if you get it twisted, okay? So when we get back to our model here, here's our torso. See our torso? And this is the cover, I took it off. And these are abdominal muscles, that's breast, there's some muscles here, okay, the person has a six-pack, okay, really been exercising a lot. And here's the model, and here's where the lungs are. So they're kind of located up here. But you notice you go to the doctor, and this one really doesn't show it, but they'll put the stethoscope to the back. The using of a stethoscope is called a custillation. And they'll listen back here, and they listen for the top, bottom, and say, take a deep breath and hold it. And when you exhale, they can tell if there is any fluid there, if air is flowing right, okay? So here they are, and I'm taking off the lungs, and there's one, okay? And here is another. And here's the right lung. And by the way, whenever you're talking about the body, you always talk in terms of anatomical position. That means the subject is facing you, feet flat, palms turned towards you. So everybody on the planet knows if we say the left or right side, what we're talking about, a model in the anatomical position. So this is the right side of the body, left. So the right side of the body has three lobes. There's some little lines here that's subdivided into independent units. That can be good when it comes to removing lung tissue, okay? You can remove a lung, and it has three lobes. One here, there's some little lines. I don't know if you can see them, okay? And these are showing where blood vessels are, and this is showing where portions of your bronchial tubes for air to be passed, okay? And this one has two. So your left lung has two lobes, your right lung has three. A little bit of respiratory trivia you can challenge your friends with, so, okay? Now notice this part right here that goes up here. This is your larynx. This is where the vocal cords are located. That gives you the ability to make sound. Fancy word is phonition, okay? But there's vocal cords, and the vocal cords can open and close, and that helps you to not get food and beverage down in your trachea, your windpipe, and also it has the ability to get tighter and looser to give you different pitch, so you can sing like Luther Vandross, or like men sing falsetto, or sing like Barry White, you know. You may not even know who this person's are. Okay, so anyway, here his air comes in through the nose, it goes in through the pharynx, comes through here, and goes down this tube, or the trachea. Now some person, which is really weird, you see them in medical facilities, they would have had cancer of the larynx, or something's up and they cut a hole and they're talking to you through a little hole here. Or sometimes it'll get blocked and they have to put in a tube called a trach tube. The trach tube can be put in here by cutting in between the cartilage here, or it could go in through here and go down. Okay, so anyway, you're not interested in that. So you have a trachea that branches into two main bronchioles, okay? The bronchus, and then they go into bronchioles, and they branch like branches on a tree. Okay, here's another model. Oops, excuse me. I'm going to pull up. And you can get a better idea of how it branches.